Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little impromptu video about this little box right here, which I just received yesterday, and I'm really excited about it because I feel like it's a really great buy. So I wanted to share it with you guys. If you're not familiar with my channel, then welcome. I hope that you will stick around. I do a lot of makeup videos, I do vlogs, and I definitely will take requests if there's something you want to see. But I love to review products and kind of share my feelings and then just do fun videos. It's something I enjoy doing, so I would love to have you stick around. So let's jump right in. The first thing I'm going to do is take off my lip. Watching this and you're doing a makeup no buy for the month of January, let me know because that's what I'm doing. And I actually purchased this with a gift card. I paid no money. I actually have like 50 cents left on my gift card or something like that, and I am so excited to get this because it's literally the only thing I bought in January and I paid no money for it. So this is what you get in this box. You get 2 full sizes and then you get 3 minis, and it is only $28. So if you have a gift card and you're not quite sure what to get but you want some variety, great deal. I had a $25 gift card. I did get a discount because I work at Sephora, but still a really good deal because you could pay like $5 and get this if you had a gift card laying around. Definitely recommend, but let's dive a little bit deeper and see more about it. I'm gonna start with like the things that I can take off really easily, and then we'll go to the long wear mattes. So the first thing is this Trestique Mini. So this is a mini plumping lip balm, and this is in Barbados Berry. First of all, it's really cute. It's like a little pencil top, and this one is kind of like a bigger balm. It reminds me a little bit of like the EOS ones. So let's try it out. I'm guessing there's no like precision. Look at that color. What the hell? For real? You guys see that color though? That is really pretty. This is like the one item in the box I was like, I probably won't like that. Yeah, I like it. It's got like a little tingle to it. Feels really hydrating. Okay. I'm not a huge Trestique fan, but it's just because I've never really branched out and tried a lot of their products. But okay, first one looking really cute. It's kind of like a natural bitten kind of lip. Yeah, okay, so far so good. And that is just a mini, but that's a really good size. So you also get a mini Huda Beauty lip strobe, and this is in the shade Snobby. And I actually think I have this. I've got to check and see if this is the color that I have, because if it's the same color, then I am going to put this in my giveaway. So, un momento, por favor. Ha. Yes, so this is the same color that I have. I have Snobby, so I am going to take this and just put it in my giveaway bin. That's the mini size. Yay! I always like it when like I get a little something, you guys get a little something. So I'm going to put on my full size because of course I have already used this one. I just happen to keep it in the box. So these lip strobes are really pretty. You guys forgive my makeup. Oh, and I have the Huda Desert Dusk on my eyes too. I've had this makeup on since 7:45. And it's about 5:30 at night. So if my makeup's not looking perfect, that's why. So that is Snobby just on a bare lip. Of course you could wear that over other things to kind of give like that little extra something, but really smooth. I've worn these before. They are pretty long wearing for something that's got like a glossy consistency. I would say they stay on well, and I love this to just like center of the lips or add a little hydration to a liquid lipstick. Now I'm going to show you guys one of the full sizes. So this is one of the new Marc Jacobs lips, and this is the Lamarck Liquid Lip Crayon. So it's a liquid lip crayon. Wrap your head around that because I can't seem to do it. And this is in the shade Night Mauves. I was actually really excited that it was this color. I got them in store and I saw every color. Like this was the one I was gravitated toward. So let's try on Night Mauves. It's a lot pinker than I thought. And it looks pinker too. Like I want to swatch it so you guys know. I know I have had stuff on my lips and sometimes that really changes it, but it definitely looks pinker. So I was definitely skeptical about these because I'm like, I'm not a big pencil person other than like a lip liner. So smooth. Oh my god. So that is Night Mauves. Really cute, but it is coming off a little pinker on my lips. And even in the swatch it's a little pinker, but definitely my lip is pulling like pink from it. So be aware of that, but I might have to buy some more of these because this is amazing. Now, the last mini in here is one of the new Fenty Mademoiselle, and this is in the shade Candy Venom. Okay, so this is a cute small one. There's one of these that's a 100-point perk right now too. It's in a really dark shade if you like those. That is definitely super pigmented. It is matte, so it doesn't necessarily glide on, but with the shape of it, you can pretty much easily line your lips. It feels smooth. You can kind of rub your lips together just a little bit, but the color, okay. I am really liking it. The only thing that like threw me off about these when I saw them for the first time is that I thought they were small. They're not like crazy expensive, but yeah, this is a great way to try it out. All right, that took a little bit of scrubbing, but we got it off. My lips might be a little bit stained, but I saved the most pigmented long wearing for last. This is one of the new Smashbox metallic mattes, so it's the always on metallic matte, and this is in the shade XO Velada. So it's a metallic. It looks a little bit on the brownish side, but let's just give it a go because you never know. And today I wore Smashbox's Spoiler Alert, one of their new shades. I love it. Alright, that is the Smashbox color called XO Velada. So yeah, I actually really like it. I'm not always a fan of some browns on my skin tone, but this one, I would obviously do a different eye, but this is a really pretty color. I would love to do this lip with like a hunter green kind of smoky eye. Alright guys, that is the Sephora favorites. Give me some new lip, and I think this is an absolutely adorable set. If you have the opportunity to pick this one up, I definitely would. I think every single product in here is going to be a definite like winner for me, just from trying it on. Everything's really comfortable on the lips too, I have to say. This is a really good variety, and for $28, you can't beat it. So I will link this down below if you do want to check it out. And of course, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of these lip swatches. Let me know in the comments too if there's other videos you'd like to see or other sets like this that you would like to see in a video. I will definitely do that for you. And be sure to subscribe. I have another giveaway coming up soon. As you saw, I put that lip strobe in it and other fun things coming up that I would love for you to be a part of. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.